Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're in this beautifully renovated bathroom. This is the first time I've been here. This is one of Chris's projects, so I get to brag with his work. This is a beautiful bathroom that they did, and Chris was mentioning too that the client was amazing at picking products and knew exactly what they wanted. Very, very nice to deal with. So originally in this one there was a wall here and then there was a shower in here with the toilet, so it was like a separate room. So they opened up the wall, they took the wall right out, made it more of a longer, narrower bathroom, but fit in everything perfectly into here. So we'll start with the shower. So we have obviously our 12 by 24 tile on the walls, beautiful size niche in here, and as you can see we always use solid surface on the sill of the niche, and it's deeper. This one's about 5.5 inches deep, I would say, so you got lots of room. And then they put the mother of pearl tile as the accent in behind the niche, so it just gives it a little bit of pop. And then they also married that up with, as you can see here on the vanity top, they put the mother of pearl tile as well, just to complement the countertop. So I think it looks amazing. And then they did do a dark floor in here, and I really do like the floor. It just gives it a little bit of separation from the rest of the room. It's like a river stone, a lot of grout in it, but a really nice color, as you can see. And as we step into the shower, this is a Flurco door with a return panel, thermostatic valve, slide bar, rain head, and a great size shower. So lots of room for your toilet, really nice shower, great niche. Niches, everybody wants niches now. It seems to be the way. If we have room to access it, it's a very nice feature to have. Into the vanity area here, you can see we have a double bowl vanity and 2 mirrors, 3 pot lights, and there was originally a bulkhead here. One thing I really like about this bulkhead is it's rounded right here. So there's a beam going across here, it's rounded, so instead of just a square corner, quite nice. And then we put the pots in and they're perfectly located above the mirror and then one in the middle. Quartz countertop, this is like a Carrera, so we talk about everybody wanting Carrera look now. This is a quartz countertop that looks like Carrera, so it's maintenance free, you never have to worry about it. Faucets, we reuse these faucets, so we'll maybe talk about those next week. And then through here quickly, a niche in the wall behind the tub, beautiful freestanding tub with a floor mount set of faucets, and then we put a couple puck lights in the niche as well. So as you can see, and then they actually put the mother of pearl tile in there as well. So we'll come back here and we'll continue to talk about this bathroom next week.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.